has 3 boxes. Each box has 5 marbles inside. How many marbles does Pat have in all? You can use a model to show and solve the problem. What does it mean to use a model? It means draw a picture or show what is happening in the problem.
An equation is a model too.
You can draw an array and write an equation to show how many marbles in all. What does each row of the array represent?
Select your answer.
Each row of the array represents a box of marbles. There are 3 rows because there are 3 boxes of marbles. Each row has 5 red circles because each box has 5 marbles. What equation matches the array? You can write the equation 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. There are 5 marbles in each box, and there are 3 boxes. So you can add 5 plus 5 plus 5 to find the total number of marbles is 15. You can also draw a bar diagram and write an equation to show how many marbles in all. The circles stand for the number of marbles. There are 3 boxes, and inside each box there are 5 marbles. What does the 15 mean? "15" is the total number of marbles. You can add the number of marbles in each box to find the total. You can write the equation 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. The pictures show the same number of marbles in 2 different ways. The equations and answers are the same. Pat has 15 marbles in all.